My brother Biggsy, you look like you've done this before.
Yeah, I made some dates at home.
So talk to me about your dating. Biggsy, my guy.
Biggie, feeling quite sensual right now. Got the little candles.
Love a candle.
You got a shirt on. It's feeling quite romantic.
Talking of romantic, I need your help. This month, loads of expenses. Kids' birthdays, holidays. I need to think about ways to cut back. Dating is one of them, like, I love taking the missus out, but if there's a way for me to kind of do it at a cheaper cost, but still give her the same experience and love, I'd love to be able to do that.
Come on with the idea for you.
Yeah.
It's called a fake away.
Come on.
A fake away.
Take away.
Fake away. Instead of getting a takeaway, it'll cost you a fraction of the price, but you'll have all the vibes.
Nervous about that.
The cooking element.
Exactly.
Well, don't worry. I am here. All right, bam. So we got some lamb mints.
Show me how to bust this thing.
Palm, hand. Simple. I think for every food tip I give you, you got to give me a money tip. Go on.
When you're going out, he's a credit card that gives you cash back or points. So when you spend, you get something back.
This is what I need in that.
Come on, I got you.
So part of that kebab will be some beautiful fresh herbs. Let me get a bunch of that, please. Come on, don't be scared. Yeah?
Wow.
Now, the start of the show. I'm a big advocate of going to a local pawn shop and buying these beautiful packets, he said. Yeah? Another financial tip. We're doing tip for tap.
Some banking apps allow you to set up savings goals.
Okay.
You could name that account, date night, family holiday, whatever it may be, and then you can put money in and build it up and then use it for that savings goal.
Into our next part of this beautiful dish. Come on, you got this. Oh, well, there we go, big chef. And obviously, with the kebabs, if you don't want to use all these kebabs today,
Yeah.
you can freeze them.
Okay.
You can use them for another day. The dry herbs are going to elevate that salad and give it that restaurant quality feel. Obviously, I'm giving you a tip, so you got to give me another financial tip.
A lot of the time, people don't know how much it costs to live their lifestyle. Like if I asked you, how much have you spent on haircuts this month? Didn't know that one. Or how much do you spend on food? So it's really important, get into your banking app, look what's happening, understand where your money is going, and that will put you in a better position.
Now, it's time for the main event.
Sizzle.
Sizzle.
So you look like you've done this before.
Yeah, I made some dates at home.
So talk to me about your dating.
I live with 3 of my friends. So when I'm trying to have a cute date at home and they all walk in, they like to do that awkward stuff. Like, oh, we've got another one here. Or, have I met you before? No, this is the first time we've ever had a date. Off. You got the chili sauce and the garlic in. It's the third date.
There's a third date.
You know, it's, we're a bit further now. Big chili there. Oh, and then bam, go straight in.
Wonderful.
Late night vibes, little fake away.
Come on.
Only thing left to do is get the mood right. I got a little surprise for you.
Oh,
Some flowers, raw.
so sweet.
All right, cheers
Shots,
to kebab.
kebabs.
We've cooked together, we've ate together. I've learned some tips from you.
I've learned some cooking from you.
Exactly, I'm gonna go set some saving goals. Don't take away the fake away. Come on, brother.
Come on now.